We can make a difference. We know that this is happening. Plastic ocean. Floating trash island found in Caribbean is now twice the size of Texas. And this is happening. But why? Why is this happening? Well, one reason is this. We throw bottles and cans in the trash instead of recycling them. And another reason is this. Disposable water bottles instead of reusable ones. Over 2 million plastic beverage bottles are used every 5 minutes in the US. There is no such thing as away. When we throw anything away, it must go somewhere. 69% of plastic bottles end up in landfills or in the ocean. With such a big problem, it is easy to feel helpless or hopeless. But we start to feel better when we take action. Even a baby step in the right direction can bring us hope and empower us. We can take action. Remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. First, we can reduce the plastic we use by bringing a reusable water bottle wherever we go, and by saying "no straw, please" when we order a drink. No straw, please. And by bringing reusable bags when we shop. Yay, I remembered my reusable bag. Second, we can reuse things instead of throwing them out. If we get creative. Third, and we can recycle. And speaking of recycling, we at the CEC want to recycle. We're asking for containers for bottles and cans. But to succeed, we need you. Who, me? Yes, you. We need your help and support. You can help by talking to others, students, teachers, family, friends, about going green. And join the CEC Eco English Club to help our school go green. Our first meeting is next Friday, December 14th at 12 p.m. So what do you say? We can be a part of the solution, not only for ourselves, but for future generations. Thank you. Go green, think green. Join the Eco English Club. Our first meeting will be Friday, December 14th, 12 to 1 p.m. in room 141. For more information, you can contact me, Shannon Maraghy, at slmaraghy@pasadena.edu. Thank you very much.